Welcome to One Question and Attempt, the SAT series. Question number 15. The approximate value of square root of 15 is 3.87. Which of the following is the best approximations to square root of 5 over 3? Now we know that the given information is square root of 15 is 3.87. And the question is, what is the square root of 5 over 3? So somehow we have to transform the square root of 5 over 3 in terms of square root of 15. So I know that if I multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction inside of the square root by 3, I will get something like square root of 15 on the top and then at the bottom we have 9. Based on the rule, we can have separate them square root of 15 over square root of 9. And the square root of 15 is given 3.87. Square root of 9 is 3 squared equal 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 divided by 3 is equal 1 point. A divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. A subtract 6 is 2. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So the answer is 1.29. And how we do it is 3.87. We have 1 here, then 3, then we subtract, then this one 0.87. Now continue with this one is point. A divided by 3 is 2. 0.2 times 3 is 0.6. We subtract, we have 0.27 is 9. So that 0.27 is equal 0, no remainder. But in this case, you see that it doesn't have any close number like 1.2, 1.25, 1.3. So it's easier for us to eliminate. You know that 3.87 you can divide by 3, and of course you will have 1. So 0.2, it isn't right. Eliminate 8. 0.04, eliminate 4b. And then 3.87 divide 3 could not be bigger than 3.87. 3.66 is impossible. So the only answer should be right is C. Thank you for participating in this series. and see you next time.